Guys, this is another video. It's Free Fire. So, I'm kind of landing on this place called Crossroad. I think I can get a little good gun. Oh, I got a legendary gun. What a surprise. You might know it. It's a good gun. Like it it shoots so fast. Next house, let's go. So, I got a bat. A bag. Why am I not going up? Yeah, I got a UMP now. Still, this is a good gun. I'll be needing not a pistol but a shotgun. And so, if you are playing Free Fire and you're medicating something, then you should crouch up. Then no one can hit you. You can even not get a headshot. So, I'm going in this house. I hope there's no one in this house. So there's no one. I'm a lucky one. I got a katana. What a great luck. So, oh, we got this. We got a, what's it called? I forgot. What was it called? Yeah, armor, something. Forget it. Yeah, I know it now. I know it. It was called armor upgrader. So, I might think no one came there. So, I got a helmet. Another MP40. What a great luck. A scar. But nope. I'm not gonna take it. So I got a medkit. Another MP40. So let's go. So let's go to Brasilia now. Because like Pochinki in PUBG, it's Brasilia in the middle circle. The first circle or the last circle stands in Brasilia. So let's go. First we are going in the field. Oh, I'm not a great driver. I suck in driving. I'm driving so hard. My driving skill sucks. So, I have another YouTube channel called Money City. It's my brother's. Like, please subscribe that also. So, let's go. Baby. Yeah, I'm gonna go in the speed on. Shit. It took damage. Go, yeah. The danger zone's here. So, I think I'm not gonna go yet. So, yeah. Oh, I'm a little lagging. So this trick doesn't work. There's like, there's a trick, but it's fake. It doesn't work. So we are head to the Brasilia. I might think there are many people here. Still, some of them are alive. I must say no one had landed here. Oh, someone just hit it in my car. I told it, the last circle or the first circle stands in the middle of Brasilia. So where's the next circle? The check. It's in here. So we're getting in the middle of the zone. Oh, there's a car coming. You can hear it. So it's following me. Come on. So yeah. No go. I'm not gonna fight because you can just jump out and up. If you have a great gun, you can shoot enemies. So I'm not going there. Oh, there's a people there. What a bad luck. I just landed there. So let's kill him. If I can. So, who's the enemy? There's he. So he's coming. He's dead. I'm such a fool. Wow. He suck. He had like P90 and he couldn't even hit me. I mean kill me. He hit me, but he couldn't kill me. So next zone's I might say it's here. I'm not guaranteed it will be here. So let's see for more enemies. No one's here. No one's here. So let's go. I got I'm actually lagging. I think there's someone here. I'm on the middle of the circle, but still. Those ones coming so slow. I might say it's not gonna go in here only. Oh, I'm in the middle. Yes. I'm gonna stand here. Wait for the enemy to come. No one's here. I know how to make them come here. So I shoot airdrop. Now people can come there. And I'm gonna shoot them all. Like a cowboy. Like a cowboy. So the airdrop's coming so slow. Oh, here it came. If no one's here, I'm gonna get it. So what did I got? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I got a Dragunov. It's a cool gun. Headshot. The guy is coming towards me. Let's see. Oh, he got a shotgun. And I'm dead. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell. Okay? So, I'm not in the big league, but still, please like and comment below. See you guys in the next video.